Hello, this is my demo from Milestone 1 for game 576. This is my converter right here. So this is where, well, yeah, so converting the XML here, converting the skeleton here, and then converting the animations here. I'm going to get this started. And then, yeah, to convert the skeleton, I'm just using one of the animations and pulling the skeleton out of there. And then we can look at that. And it packs it into the scale data proto. Each bone is its own proto. So we have scale bone and scale data. Scale data is basically a list of scale bones. But here it goes. It's converting. And then we have anim data and anim frame, a similar sort of structure. So anim frame goes inside of anim data, and anim data holds many anim frames for each bone. And yeah, so now we have all those files ready to go. So I load up the engine. And here we have all of our meshes and game objects and graphics objects and stuff getting loaded up. Here's the two, I'm only using two animation models. But let me just get this started. So I'm using two animation models and 4 animations. So I'm going to switch between the animations once they're pulled up, because down in the update it's going to load the animation from the animation manager into the animation. And then we also have, where's our glyph manager? Right here. And then we have text. My text is all the way down here. It says hello world, and then I get it in the update and I set the message for each frame. So we're going to see it. It's hello world times whatever frame it's on. We have, I kind of tried to overlay the wireframe and the light texture shader on top of each other with this one just to show both. We have Space Frigate, Crate, Angry Bird, and then I'll switch between the animations. So there's an animation, different animation, then switch them back, switch them to and back. But yeah, and then this is just counting up each frame, so it's kind of dynamic. You can copy into the message as it's running. And then we'll close out. There's no memory leaks. Okay, so where I'm at here. Okay. So right now I don't have a what's called skeleton object. Well, I put the hierarchy is kind of the blueprint. So that's what gets sucked out of the file, so to speak, and saved. And then I want to test this because I'm pretty sure it should work, but I actually haven't got it written this way now that I'm looking at it. I shouldn't need to add the hierarchy twice because it'll work for both. So I'm going to try doing that. And then we'll just set in hierarchy 1. And let's see if this works. It might, or it should. And if it doesn't, then I need to fix it so that it does here. Okay, good. So yeah. So it's like a blueprint for the skeleton to work off of. And then the skeleton is reading clip. So the anim object has a skeleton and a clip. And it reads out of there. Reads from the clip based on the time that we pass into the anim controller manager right here. We've got our two cameras, 2D and 3D. And that's about it. Thank you.